Patricroft Station, built 1830, located 5 miles from Manchester Victoria Station. Oh, hello. Located in Eccles, Salford. Built 1830, it was one of the first stations ever built, and is located on the first passenger railway in the world. Situated on Green Lane, Patricroft Station is positioned at the point where the world's first intercity passenger railway crosses the world's first commercial canal. The Bridgewater Canal, completed in 1761. Patricroft Motive Power Depot was adjacent to the rear of the Manchester-bound northern platform. The engine shed was opened in 1884 and closed in 1968. Patricroft Station is now a shadow of its former self, the majority of the buildings being demolished in the 1980s, leaving only a waiting shelter and a subway connected to the 2 remaining platforms, neither of which has disabled access, as the subway on both sides has stairs leading to the station entrance and platform level. An oily rag, your face all clean, belly full and under steam. One final run, your work is done. Black 5, Patricroft's last son.